This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how you can add a Flipcoin feature in hosting a website builder. First, I go to hostinger.com. I log in using my Gmail account. On the left hand side, I click on websites list. Now, I edit the website which is built on hosting a website builder. Now my website is open. On the left hand side, I click on pages and navigation, add new page. Now I add a blank page and I give the name as Flipcoin, navigation name as Flipcoin, and the URL as same Flipcoin. I click on save. I close this window. Now you can see the navigation link as Flipcoin. Here I click on add a section, add a new blank section. Okay. Now I click on add elements, drag and drop the text box here. Now I adjust the position and click on edit text and change the text as Flipcoin effect. Now I go to the add elements, drag and drop the embedded code in the newly added section. I adjust the position to the center. Click on enter code. I delete the default code and I copy the code which is on the notepad. Ctrl A, right mouse click copy and paste the code here. Now I click on embed code. Now our Flipcoin has been successfully added to the newly added section. Now I adjust the height of the section using the arrow keys. Now I add elements, drag and drop the text box. Here I adjust the width of the text box. And adjust the height. Now for adding content here, I go to chatgpt.com and type the below sentence and click on search. Now the content has been generated. Now I copy the heading of the content and scroll up and replace this content, edit text and change the content to the new content. Similarly, for the description, I copy the description from the ChatGPT, copy and paste the content here. Now both a heading and the description has been added successfully to the newly added page. Now I adjust the section height and now I click on preview to see the changes. So this is how our newly added page looks like. I click on update website Now the website changes has been published. I click on visit site and click on the flip coin. Now you can see the link as flip coin URL. This is how our website looks. So in this way, you can easily add a flip coin effect in your hosting a website builder. I click on flip coin and you can see the changes here. Thank you.